Hey guys, I am going to play whatchamacallit game. My summer car. This will be my second my summer car video. I need to go home because I have so much food. First I need to pee. I'm gonna pause the video. Sorry about that guys, it'll just make me they'll get my YouTube channel deleted. It says YouTube. Tiamo's shop isn't open. I need to wait until it's open. So I'm gonna get in my car and sleep. I need gas. As you see, it won't let me. I'm jumping in. Shutting this door. Oh crap! That was weird. Did that seriously just break the crap? Non-stop. Great. I'm going to get in, sleep, and I don't know what I'll do. I think I need to eat. Yes, as it shows at the top left. Alright, whatever. Well, top left, actually. I'm going to put on my parking brake because you saw what happened. So I need to sleep. If I move this, can I sleep? Nope. Usually it lets you sleep on that. Oh crap. Also, if you're wondering what I'm in the poop truck. This thing that holds poop. It goes to a well and drinks it. Oh my god, there's the bus. I'm gonna meet the guy, the bus driver. Also, by the way, it's a different language. It's because where this game was made, or when this game was, well, not when, where. It's a Finnish game, so it was made in Finland. I'm not getting on this bus because I'm gonna die soon, and now I'm thirsty. Shouldn't be doing this. Why are there so many of those? Ow, something fell on my toe. Okay, I'm gonna fix the game and get my windows back, because if I don't have windows, I'm gonna die if I wreck. So, I'm going to save the game, and I'll be right back. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Sorry about that, guys. I just had to go feed my cat. So, I'm going to click continue, so you know I'm not hacking or anything, or whatever it's called. So, yeah. What broke? I hope it was nothing important, because I am really thirsty and not hungry at all. Okay, the windows are here. Oops. The last time I tried this, I basically died. Well, my house caught on fire. Oh crap, my car is moving. I need something to drink. Here's some orange juice. I hope the pub or something is open, especially on Fridays. That was a fake bird. Don't read the bottom, because that's part of the game. Crap, the pub isn't open. What are you doing, man? Good job, boys. Oh my god, I don't have a fingernail.
Katos, eihän oo Pyöräjärven paskat kuskia. Tulee taas ton vittu paskansa kans tänne vittu riemaan, vittu oikeesti.
This game does cuss.
Vittujen kevää.
Oh no, I'm gonna get ran over probably. They're stuck again. Why do I always have to help you two out? Here, boys. Ah, no, I don't want to get ran over. There you go, you toe. What's this? What's this? Oh. Okay. Okay, this game is weird. Just keep cigaretting, just keep cigaretting. What was that? What? Okay. I threw my cigarette on the ground and stomped on it. Apparently. When will it open? Okay. Dear Lord. Is this bike here yet? No. I wanna wait until he's here. I'm gonna wait till... Okay, I'm gonna try again. It's still locked, but he's in there, as you can see. Usually he's not here. So, that's weird. I'm gonna go to sleep and see if that will help. And see if it, will unlock later. Later in the game. Okay, I'm awake again. I need to fix this. My truck's already messy. It's about the storm too, which is the worst part of this game. When it storms, I'm gonna have to end the video in a little bit. I might make this into a part 2. So if this video says part 1, I'll make a part 2. Hi, Demo. Oh, Lord. Okay, guys, don't mind that. Just gonna get all of this stuff. Oops, I went too low. Macaroni and pizza. Can't buy that sadly. I have chips, which is weird. Because they're like, why is there beer in this? Okay, I'm gonna get some milk. All the milk spot. I'm gonna buy all the coffee. And I already have enough spray can. I'm gonna buy some mosquito spray. And I did this off camera, but it didn't save. But my something exploded. Did I buy coolant or something? Oh crap, drop my bag. I don't care about shutting these doors, so... Oh, that didn't work like it normally does. I'm supposed to do this, and it exploded my car, but it didn't. I am really thirsty. Crap, that's empty. Okay, I'm gonna drive. Oh crap, I need gas. That's something I forgot about. The main reason I came here is to get food and gas. So, diesel, it's diesel. This is gonna take a while, so I'm gonna pause the video. Oops. So, almost done. And there we go. So, nozzle is. I gotta go back to my house. Oh shoot, I almost got shot this. It's enter driving mode. No, my house is probably on fire right now. I'll be right back. I'm back. Sorry about that. Explode. Yeah, I really do buy too much stuff sometimes. There's the milk I just bought. Oh, there it is. I might lose all this. I hope I don't. 100% no. There's like tons. It won't start. Not good. Coffee. I hate when it rains because it's dangerous. When it rains, you can go up. Oh Lord. If you don't know what a range is, look it up. I'm on my way home. I didn't record part of it because I forgot to press start because I already thought I did. This is rainy, so I'm taking the dangerous way. And it's not so quick. Down here at the bottom right. Can't take my camera there. Down there. Oh shoot, I'm doing the other one. Okay, down there, it shows what gear I'm in. So, yeah, that's how fast I'm going. This is how fast I'm going. It's kilometers, not miles. I'm breaking this window. Okay then.